Digital democracy is about having this technology that allows us to communicate with people very far away, almost instantly, but also just communicating with those that think exactly like us. Digital democracy is about all these opportunities for integrating everyone, but also a lot of dangers and things to watch out for. We're building this exhibit for Futurium about the future of democracy and digital democracy in particular, where you have a small city that has to face some difficult decisions. And as you play one of the citizens who is trying to communicate each other's points of views, trying to spread information and fight misinformation. So basically strengthen the network of people and empower citizens so decisions better reflect what people actually want. In the exhibit we have this little city which is like a mixture of different German cities. The idea is also that the city reflects the choices that people made. So if they're building a theme park to attract more tourists, then you will see the Ferris wheel come up. Every decision transforms the city a little bit. The way we like to understand democracy is as a system for building consensus. That means that even if things didn't go the way you wanted, you can still respect the outcome. So the idea is for everyone to hear each other's points of views, understand each other's feelings, being empowered even if they're in a minority, basically coming together in a transparent process, in a transparent way. We wanted this exhibit to be, let's say, multiplayer, so multiple visitors can play at the same time. And this was very important because ultimately democracy is a collective effort and everyone's playing on the same city, facing the same problem and helping each other strengthen the decision-making process of this city. It's really a place where you can think physically. Taking part in these experiences, it's thinking out loud in a way.